Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Kodian Barrett. It's now time for Frontline Business. Jamaica will be receiving a new solar park, courtesy of investors NPC Renewable Energies. The disclosure was made by Managing Director at NPC Renewable Energies, Martin Voet.
Our solar park will be operational early next year, generating affordable power for the consumers. And it will also be the largest solar PV project here in Jamaica and one of the largest projects in the region.
In 2016, NPC Renewable Energies invested in the Paradise Park solar-powered project in Westmoreland. This solar park will be their second investment.
The process was very well managed by the government. It was a very transparent RFP process, and this is exactly what foreign investors like us need to invest in a country. We need to have a reliable framework upon which we can act, and therefore really Jamaica became one of the, let's say, role models for the region of how other countries can implement successfully a framework which attracts foreign capital. And the most important part about that is that your framework has to provide a steady support for renewable energy so that the investor community can build up certain trust into the system.
He says the company intends to invest further in renewable energies in Jamaica. Mr. Voet says Jamaica's energy landscape stands to benefit from more investment since the energy market was opened up to private investors in 2013. Starting February 28, 2019, Spirit Airlines will be expanding its services to Jamaica with non-stop service from Orlando International Airport to Montego Bay and on March 1 from Orlando to Kingston. Spirit will now offer the Orlando area non-stop service to 39 destinations with up to 50 daily flights across the U.S., Caribbean and Latin America. The expansion is the largest in the airline's history. Grace Kennedy Limited is reporting a further increase in profit. For the 9-month period ending September 30, the company achieved net profit of $3.71 billion, which, when adjusted for non-recurring gains in 2017, represents a $415 million increase. This resulted from revenues of $73.8 billion, which were up by $4.5 billion when compared to last year. Grace Kennedy this year embarked on a program to improve its return on investment and shareholders' value. The process involved a review of its overall organizational design, cost structure, and business processes at all levels, resulting in restructuring which affected a number of positions in August. In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 557 points to close at over 300,000. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 51 stocks, of which 23 advanced, 19 declined, and 9 traded firm. The Junior Market Index advanced by 17 points to close at 3,232. Stocks advanced for 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Cream, Caribbean Producers, and Everything Fresh. Stocks declined for Access Financial, Cargo Handlers, Carreras Limited, Elite Diagnostic, and Grace Kennedy. Trading firm were 138 Student Living, Barita Investments, Consolidated Bakeries, Derrimont Trading, and Express Catering. Carreras Limited was the volume leader with over 700,000 units, followed by Wasinco Group with over 300,000 units and Lasco Manufacturing also with over 300,000 units. And news in oil. Oil prices rose on Monday after Saudi Arabia said OPEC and its partners believed demand was softening enough to warrant an output cut of 1 million barrels per day next year. Brent crude futures were up 52 cents at $70.70 a barrel, while U.S. crude futures rose 36 cents to $60.55 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Kodian Barrett. Pleasant viewing.